Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So there's a new theme and I already bought half of it. But if you go to the shopping, it is old Msp theme. So they got like this hair for once. Oh my god, I remember this hair so much. Oh my god. This hair you could get when you log in and stuff, you know, but I got that. So let's create a look. And if you're wondering why I'm not in school, well, because it's snowing where I live and we're not allowed to go to my school because my school is on a hill, so it'd be hard to get up there. Let's type in. Wait, I don't like the trousers, but then if I don't have any trousers, you can see up the, you know. Oh my god. This. Okay. None of my friends are online, which is good because it won't be laggy. Okay. What the heck? That ain't right. That's a glitch. I haven't got 511's fame. Surely not. Let's wait. I swear that was in that before. Oh well. I sound like I don't want to speak today. Like I sound like that, but you know, I got a bad throat this way. can't find the last one and I can't be bothered. Didn't mean to press that. The heck? That always comes up, don't worry, guys. Okay, lovely. I don't know what else to do in this video, guys, so yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys did please smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!